Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So a lot of you have sent me this link today. It's called walgreens.com/topic promotion/my Walgreens. And it's all the information that we want to know about the new point system. So I will link this in the notes if you want to go to the site and give it a read. And if you just don't want to take me at my word, I would suggest most of you should go on this site and just peek around because it's a lot better if you can get your own interpretation of this new system. And before I dive into it, let's try and stay really classy in the comments. I know a lot of people don't like change, and I'm right with you too. I'm lazy. I like things to stay status quo. But they're evolving their program. If you look at the other two pharmacies, such as CVS and Rite Aid, they both have either extra care bucks or bonus cash to get you back in the door. And I'm sure with My Walgreens, they will have some sort of incentive to get us back into the doors. It will not be points or register rewards, but it will be something. So this is some information about this new program. We're just going to go through it, line by line, bite by bite, and the link will also be in the notes if you want to just read a little bit about it. And I don't think this is the worst thing. We will have to wait and see. And I wish I had something more concrete to tell you guys, but we're just going to have to wait and see what this is all about. So coming soon, a rewarding experience for you. A one-of-a-kind personalized experience that makes saving, shopping, and your well-being easier. Designed for the one and only you. Well, I kind of like that. If you know, the last couple of weeks we've been getting those weird thank you or only for you coupons for the that nut deal, the cup deal, the cotton ball deal. So they're obviously testing something out, and I've noticed that as well. So is that going to be part of it? Because if that's part of it, this won't be the worst thing ever, will it? Okay, the next slide. Save money. We're making it easier for you to unlock savings and earn rewards. Stay healthy. So they've always wanted you to put like your Apple Watch or Fitbit attached to your app so they can calculate, how many steps you're doing and all that stuff. So that's another aspect of this. Save time will help you get time back so you can focus on what matters. So I think there's going to be some sort of like Back to the Future machine near the pharmacy and bathroom where you can go back in time. No, I kid. I had to say it. Okay, so now we're going to go into the text, guys, and leave these beautiful little drawings and graphics. So first thing, again, as we read in the first thing, it says My Walgreens is coming soon. We'll let you know when you could sign up. I find this kind of interesting that it's not, they didn't test it in like Ohio or Florida where they usually test these sort of things. It's just like everyone's going to sign up at the same time, and let's hope this goes well. So I think Beauty Club is done on October the 31st, but this might roll out in stages. Because wouldn't they want to test it in like Florida, in like a county to see if it works first, or Ohio like they normally do? So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Obviously, there's a lot of logistics involved. Will my Balance Reward membership automatically transfer to My Walgreens, or do I need to sign up? Your Balance Reward membership does not automatically transfer. You'll need to sign up for My Walgreens, but it's free and easy. Plus, you can keep your benefits and earn more rewards. Make sure to sign up by January the 31st of 2021 to keep your points balanced. So that was a really contentious issue of us not knowing and like, what's going to happen to my points? It's going to transfer. So like, not to worry. There will be a home for them. So that's promising right there, so especially if you have a couple $100 points, you're not going to lose it. How do I sign up for My Walgreens? When My Walgreens launches, you can easily sign up by visiting mywalgreens.com or with the Walgreens app or Walgreens store. Keep an eye on your inbox for invitations to join. More details are coming soon. I've been trying to get on the My Walgreens site, and you cannot access it right now. But the link that I have, which is part of the walgreens.com, is just like a beta site. You can see all this information right there. So that's where I'm getting this. What happens to balance rewards points? When you sign up for My Walgreens, you'll automatically roll over your your remaining balance rewards points to your new account, where you can still earn and redeem. Remember to transfer your account by January the 31st of 2021 to keep your points balanced. So right here, guys, when this new site is launched, they're giving us till the end of January. So remember in my videos earlier or last week, I was like, they'll have to give us 2 months. So this is very like indicative of how they do it. They're going to give us a very large window to sign up for this new program. So there's that. Will I lose balance rewards points? No, don't worry. Your balance rewards is safe as long as you sign up for My Walgreens by January the 31st of 2021. We'll automatically roll them over when you enroll into My Walgreens. So there it is. And again, remember from what I told you earlier, this new My Walgreens has yet to be launched. But when it does, I'm sure most of you will sign up right away. And I'll remind you 7 million times as well. But that's where we're going with this. So, I mean, I don't see this as the worst thing. We're going to have to wait and see what kind of new incentives we're going to get. What will happen if I don't sign up for My Walgreens? If you don't enroll in My Walgreens by January the 31st of 2021, then your balance rewards account will be deactivated. You lose your existing balance, your existing points balance, but it's free to join and will automatically roll over into your balance as long as you sign up before then. So they're just saying like, hey, if you don't sign up by then, you're kind of forfeiting your card and your points. So I'm sure most of you will get on this moving train. And really important one, what's happening to the Beauty Enthusiast? Beauty Enthusiast is getting a makeover. The program will be no longer available beginning on October the 31st of 2020. But if you join our new personalized experience, My Walgreens, you'll continue to earn reward points on your favorite beauty purchases and so much more. Okay, guys, so pinned at the top of the comments of this video will be the website link that was sent to me. Wanda sent it to me this morning. Thanks, Wanda. You are awesome. Fantastic subscriber and friend. On top of everything, this lady is like Walgreens. And she's in Ohio too, so I'm surprised that she wasn't part of the test market, because usually whenever they do like little changes and stuff, when they did get rid of their register rewards a couple years ago, I think it was tested in northern Florida and then parts of Ohio. So, you know, I just like you guys, you know, I would love for everything to stay status quo too. It's easier for me in my videos without having to learn something new. But when they usually have these big sweeping changes, it usually happens early November. It's always early November whenever they roll these things out. And they wait and see what happens. The last time there was a really big shakeup like this is when they got rid of the higher tiers of points. So it went from 1,000 to 5,000. So $1 to $5 you could use, and anything more than that, like the 10, the 35, the 30, and then the $50, you couldn't do it. And that went on, guys, for about 6 or 7 months, and then they brought it back because people were stopping to shop there. And I think if you look at the other two pharmacies that are CVS and Rite Aid, they both have some sort of program like bonus cash, extra care bucks that you can roll. And Walgreens will have to provide something comparable or some amazing fire coupons to get us in the door every week. Like maybe it'll be one per store card or something like that. But they're going to have to throw something on the table to entice us. On the other end of it, we have these different rebate apps. We can always pick up products and get items for free or cheap with the rebate apps. So this isn't completely dead. Let's try and stay somewhat positive. I think this is pretty, you know, it's somewhat positive. It's not the speculation that we were hearing a week ago, and it's a little bit more concrete, and we'll just have to play this up one by ear and then see what happens. Again, if you want to read all of the nitty gritty, please check out the link in the notes. It'll be pinned right at the top. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.